Alright, we're back on a rapid dry lake. We have a beautiful scale. I think this is a Zenoah inspired Focke-Wulf 190. Beautiful. God, it smells good, runs good. It's very nice. Again, I think this is a Zenoah inspired. It's got beautiful scale landing gear.
Taking off.
Alright, here we go.
Tail heavy, see it dragging the tail. I think maybe, we'll see.
I think this is the maiden flight of this bird, so gears up, so that's good.
Yeah, this one needs quite a bit of down trim. It's fine. Very picky, it's probably tail heavy.
Pilot thinks it's tail heavy, a little pitch sensitive. Might be. Nice, the presentation pass. It's very pitch sensitive. So, I'm trying to be quiet here while he sorts through this. Sounds good though. It's got a twin cylinder up front. The good thing about flying out here at a dry lake bed or any place like Rabbit is this is the perfect place to do a maid. It really is. So if there are any issues, then you can pretty much land any direction you want to. There's no trees to crash into really, so.
45 degrees. Why? Just check this. Okay. It didn't want it just banked out. That's all it gave me.
Yeah, not enough power.
Okay, just lost her, but that's okay. Moves right along.
When you go 45 degrees, it's good, and you just want to do
And doing a little bit of stall testing on it. Take her up high, about 3 mistakes high, stall the plane, see what it does.
Oh, it'll land just fine too. Right now I'm gonna test flaps.
That's a fact, you need to have to be down.
Alright, We got one gear down. Okay, that roll right there, that snap, was to get the other gear down, and it worked. So in case people are wondering why did the pilot snap the plane, in other words a snap roll, was because he wanted to bring the gear down, which he did.
Landing!
You can land in that direction.
This way?
Yeah. Okay, go. No wind, so you can, the first landing with the flaps, see how it does.
Alright.
Cut power, cut power.
No. It's a heavy aircraft, my friend.
Oh, beautiful job. Good job. Alright. Alright, well, very good.
Kill it. Why would I kill the engine?
Very good.
You didn't feel it?
No. This engine.
Alright, well, as they say, the baby is still in one piece. So, it ends well for this giant scale Focke-Wulf. And we'll get some details from the pilot. We'll post them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And much more from a very busy Rabbit Dry Lake. Saturday, November 14th, 2020. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for tuning in. Happy landings, blue skies, and cheers from Just Wing It.